Hi everyone from the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland. I'm Martina Fuchs. One of the big four accounting firms, Pryce, Koopers, PwC, has just released a new survey showing 73% of CEOs around the world believe global economic growth will decline over the next 12 months. It's the most pessimistic outlook in over a decade. I spoke to global chairman Bob Moritz about the main outcomes and the results from China.
The IMF, the World Bank, all of them have reduced significantly their projections of growth. Some just above the growth line, maybe 1%, 1.5%. Others are thinking recession. China, from a policy perspective, has both a need and an opportunity to get into the mid-single digits. And that's important for the citizens of China, and it is important for the world as we think about how it in fact sources goods, services, and economic development. The big thing I think for China is you've got a large domestic base of consumers that still has a lot of needs. So we're not done with the consumer and that's going to be needed to be served with quality goods and services. Second is the use of technology in new and different ways. China was probably one of the most advanced in that regard, but how do we now bake AI into all that we do is a big opportunity and maybe even an obligation. And third is how do they export that to the world and be a source to the world and lead the world in some of these areas is going to be a big opportunity for China going forward.